Hi, Jane. Thanks for watching another video. I just want to show you quickly how to change your menu, your navigation bar, your navigation menu. So let me go back here, click on here to get to your home page. And so this is your menu or navigation bar right here. And so what I want to show you is how to edit it. So you see, you can do everything as I mentioned, do it more than one way. I would suggest you go to customize and you go here. You probably could have also gone to appearance. So let me back out of this. This might be a little better way to do it. So let me close this. Bring down your dashboard. I could have clicked dashboard. And then probably go to appearance and then menu. It'll look slightly different. I think this is a better way to do it. So I would recommend you follow my lead here. So appearance and then menus. You see it here? Not customize. You could have done it that way, but it looks different. Sorry about that. Let me go to here, menus. These are the themes. You're not going to change those at this time or probably ever. So here you can see this is it's called main menu. And these are the buttons that are currently the pages that are in the main menu, home, resources. Here's your sub items. That's your navigation. So these are your navigation buttons. Here are pages currently that are in your website. So if we want to add one, let's use as an example, planting trees and shrubs here. And I'm going to click, you can do more than one. Let's do edible gardening also. And then I'm going to click add to menu. In a second, it'll show up right here. Here they are right here. And then you can drag and drop them wherever you want to put them. And probably want to do it alphabetical maybe. That looks right. And then you could add other ones here, or you could do custom links, that type of stuff. And then I'm going to just hit so I'm going to hit save because you got to save it. So now that menu's been saved. And if you wanted to add a different item, so these are your primary ones going across the top, and then these are sub items underneath there. If you wanted to add another item as another sub item, you could do a sub item of a sub item. And how does that look? Well, let's click save. Still saving. There it comes now. Let's look at the front end of the website. Here's this. And then here's your drop down menu. Here's the ones that we added. And then this is a sub menu of the sub menu. So when you want to change it back, just go back here to dashboard. Actually, here's menus. Again, the shortcuts are different places sometimes. Here's your menus. I'm going to move this one back. Oops, not that far back. Let me drop it in here and then slide it down. So you can see I had to do a little workaround. It was getting a little sticky or touchy, so I just put it back to the top and moved it down. And I'm going to hit save. What I also want to show you is that earlier in the other video, I showed you about creating menus. So you could end up creating a new menu, and so be patient. And this menu might be, let's do tips and tricks. And then I'm not going to add it here. I'm just going to create the menu. So I've created right here. And then what you can do is you can add different, so the title is menu, which doesn't show up anywhere right now. And it's tips and tricks, but I'm going to just put a bunch of stuff in here just for the heck of it. I'm going to click add to menu. The menu is about to be created. So here it is. Doesn't show up anywhere. I'm going to hit save menu. And then I'm going to go back to that page, if I can remember which one you said we were working on. Give me a second. Growing guides. So I click on growing guides. Here comes the growing guides page. Be patient while it loads. And I showed you in the earlier video here, you got these, they're not really menus. These are hyperlinks. This was a text editor with hyperlinks. This was a button. And then down here, this was a menu that doesn't look so great. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and click plus. Let's just go for that. Let's see if PowerPack has a menu button. Just give me 1 second. Let me scroll down. They may or may not. Hopefully I was talking loud enough for you to hear me. I've moved closer to the microphone. I do not see another menu item. So there's a formatting slightly different. That's why I was kind of looking. And let me check ultimate add-ons. We don't need it. I just want to see if there is one just to kind of show you where it's slight difference. Sometimes there's duplications on some of these. Lots of times there's not. And I don't see a different one for a menu, and that's okay. There's different ones for buttons. So let me go back to standard modules, and then menu was right here, and I'm going to drag and drop it in. Well, I'm going to put it up here so you can keep track where I'm dropping it. So I just put the menu in there, and now this opens up, and I'm going to use, instead of the main menu, I'm going to do tips and tricks. And I don't want it horizontal because that's what I showed you before is not the right way to do it. You could do it accordion wise and make it look slightly different, but for right now, no. And so here you've got that. So let's style it. Menu background color, you can change some of that. Link stuff, fonts. So anyway, I guess what I wanted to show you is there's different ways to create the menus. Again, this is showing up with the bullets, but there is a different way to do it where you don't have the bullets. I'm going to end the video here. Thanks again for watching, Jane. Take care, and bye-bye.